Heto mi alana min wadi mi yiddema ko antan holli mi ko jidinmi oduna wadi mi yiddema.
In the cold light I live to love and adore you. It's all that I am, it's all that I have. In the cold light I live, I only live for you. It's all that I am, it's all that I have.
Darling, the day is finally here, our day, the day that felt like it was just a dream and wasn't reality. But I've counted down every day with anticipation to be able to call you my husband. Who would have thought that all them years ago when we first met, that we would meet again and be where we are today? I'm so lucky to have found you and to be in love with someone that is also my best friend and share every moment together. I couldn't imagine sharing this crazy life with anyone but you. We've built such an extraordinary love for one another and I can't wait to see where our adventures in life take us next. I love you forever.
From the very first moment my eyes caught hold of you, I knew that you were the one. You were the woman that was able to make me a better person every day and a woman that makes my life complete. You have so much love and kindness and it makes me so happy to call you my wife and one day the mother of our children. Thank you, Rebecca, for making my life so amazing, and the two things that I will promise you in return is that I will love and care for you until the rest of my life.
But in the cold light I live to love and adore you. It's all that I am, it's all that I have. And in the cold light I live, I'll only live for you. It's all that I am, it's all that I have.